Are we witnessing a market pullback or is the stock market actually crashing? Sell everything. That's the headline of one of the articles I came across on Seeking Alpha. And honestly, it's a bit too much. You see, most investors will read this headline and immediately run for the fences. Personally, I'm not going anywhere, but I will be a little bit more cautious about where I am putting my capital. Stick around because in this video, we will go over where we are in the markets, what this article is implying, my current investment strategy, and my overall opinion on the state of the stock market. Now, before we get started, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It's your favorite investor, and this is a channel to help keep you invested and build your wealth. So let's start things off with where we are in the markets. Currently, over the last month, the S&P 500 has sold off 4% of its gain, and the month of September, which is historically a bad month for stocks, held true. There was nothing inherently exciting about the month, and with weak data and the potential for another rate hike, markets saw the VIX shoot up and some selling occurred. However, with that being said, in my opinion, there has been nothing that has changed my outlook on the stock market. Since the beginning of the year, we are still up 12.79% and have approached a price level that can be held as support. Ideally, most technical traders would like to see this area hold for it to bounce from current levels. But let's go back to the title of this article, Sell Everything. Honestly, this title is a way to get you to click on the article. As we continue reading and go over the summary highlights, the article is actually somewhat bullish in the near term. One of the quotes specifically that I wanted to point out was, when it feels like investors are selling everything, that is usually the best time to start buying. I find it hilarious that in an article titled Sell Everything, they are literally implying it may be a good time to buy equities. With the stock market approaching critical levels, I believe there are some good opportunities to take advantage of. At current levels, SPY can be bought at 4% under its most recent levels, and there are plenty of other stocks across the board that are at attractive prices as well. I believe the stock market just experienced a pullback. There is no current indication that the stock market is crashing yet. Of course, no one has a crystal ball, and black swan events can happen at any moment. But in a bullish year such as the one that we're in, we can't just call it a crash. We came back and now are staring at past resistance that can become support. And I'm going to act accordingly. And in the long term, I took advantage of buying XLK and SPY at some great prices. So for anyone still waiting on an opportunity to enter or add to the portfolio, I do believe the time is now. I don't think it's time to run for the hills. So one of my current goals was adding more XLK and adding more of the S&P 500 to my portfolio, since we got such a deep discount on prices from where we are at current levels. A 3-4% pullback, I think at one point we were down almost 6%, was a fantastic buying opportunity to add to the long-term portfolio. So I'm going to take advantage of that. Anyways, if you made it this far in the video, I hope you got some value from it. And be sure to check out thebestdividendcalculator.com to start putting together your plan to build wealth. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial content. It's your favorite investor, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.